Hello, I'm Matthew Cook from Luxury Residences, stood here today in what is the most spectacular new listing that we've ever had the fortune to bring to market, an incredible 4-bedroom property in the world-renowned Atlantis The Royal Residences. Please, you've got to watch this. So this remarkable residence is a true testament of quality, design and style, and we have to give an accolade to XBD Collective, the interior designer behind this masterpiece. So entering the kitchen now, the home is fully equipped with the latest appliances from Baccarat. So this exquisite home is the ideal sanctuary for distinguished families. It has an array of living areas, but one of the most favoured for me personally is the cinema room. So this one-of-a-kind home, complete with Italian branded furniture, full smart home automation, and the most exquisite works of art could all be yours. As such, please contact the team here at Luxury Residences to arrange a private viewing.